Developments pouring in from the Mahakumbh venue, where the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said that no hospital will turn back the patients. He has directed that private hospitals will also accommodate the patients. He added that the government will bear the cost of treatment. Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, first of all, give us an update on what's happening on the ground. And the injured who have been taken to the hospital, have they been admitted now?
Well, the official numbers, the data has not been given, but yes, around 25 to 30 patients have been the injured. The people, the devotees who got injured during this stampede-like situation today morning have taken to the hospital, the central hospital, which has been set up in the Mahakumbh Mela area that is equipped with machines, also medicine to provide to the devotees in any case of emergency. And there the devotees who got injured have been taken and they have been admitted, and their treatment is going on there. But if we talk about the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's stand on this, because he continuously monitoring this situation on ground, and as far as the situation is concerned, as we can clearly see, the situation is under control now, as these are the visuals from the Triveni Ghat, and the devotees continues to take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam on the auspicious occasion of the Mauni Amavasya. And also, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has issued strict order allowing, order following the Prayagraj Mahakumbh stampede-like situation incident, and CM Yogi has directed that no hospital, whether it's a government or private, will turn away the patients. So private hospitals also, if the injured devotees are approaching them, they have to admit them, they have to treat them, and also the state government will bear the entire cost of the treatment, ensuring that no devotees is left without the medical care. So everything is being has been seen here at the Mahakumbh area. The advisory has been given. In fact, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath himself asking the devotees not to believe on any rumors, and also to understand, to listen to the administration request, what the request that the administration is making. They are there for to help the devotees to have a happy pilgrimage visit.
All right.
So
Safety and security on the top priority for the Uttar Pradesh administration right now. Stay on with me, Arzu. There is a heavy crowd witnessed at Varanasi Cantonment Railway Station as devotees now